Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making washing we are going to be making liquid to wash pots. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making liquid that will wash the back of your pot. So if you have a dark or a pot that is very dirty, this liquid is going to solve that problem. So like this video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you. So making the liquid to wash our pot, this is what we need. We need lemon, one large lemon like this. So we need our salt. This is 1 tablespoon of salt. Then this is baking soda that we need. We are going to take 1 tablespoon. Then a liquid soap to add to it. So as I was saying, if you have a pot that is dirty like this, full with charcoal, dark back spot like this liquid soap will solve the problem. So I need a separate bowl. That's my bowl. Then I'll pour in my salt. Then the lemon. I'll now measure 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I'll add to that. Then I'll mix it together. And I'll squeeze it into it. And I'll pour in my liquid soap. That is 1 cup of liquid soap. So when you finish, this is how it looks like. You turn it into your container. Each time you want to use, you use it. You can use it for tiles, for toilet tiles, and it wipe out all dates. See you in my next video.